Phones ringing nonstop? Staff running back and forth? Guests waiting around just to place an order? There's a cleaner, smarter way to handle all of this. Online ordering lets people place their order on their time, not when your team is free to pick up the phone. It cuts down mistakes, speeds up prep, and keeps your line moving. Most restaurants notice bigger tickets too because guests add more when they are not rushed. Here's the real shift. Most customers now prefer ordering directly online. They don't want to call, they don't want to wait, and they don't want confusion. Delivery apps already take a big cut from your sales, so having your own online ordering means you keep more of what you earn. It builds loyalty, saves time, and gives you data you can actually use. You can start simple. A branded website or app gives you full control and helps you build repeat customers. If you want faster visibility, marketplaces can help you get discovered. A lot of restaurants go hybrid. Your own system for loyal customers plus marketplace listings for reach. And when everything syncs with your POS, orders flow straight to the kitchen without anyone retyping a thing. Look for tools that let you update your menu in real time, accept secure online payments, show accurate prep times, track customer history, and connect with your POS. These features keep your workflow smooth and your customers happy. When you're ready to launch, pick your system, connect it to your POS, train your staff so everyone knows the flow, set clear pickup rules, and promote it like crazy. A simple first order discount can get a ton of people to try it. If you want everything set up the right way and want customers actually ordering from it, MarketinGear handles the setup and the marketing. Tap the link to get a free 20-minute consult.